Okay, good morning, class. Now today we have to begin another class. For today we have a story, but at the first we remember the last class. Okay, look at these flashcards, please. Okay, do you remember? We talked about food. Okay, now pay attention one moment, please. Okay, good. Now see you here. And here you have
coconuts. Coconuts.
okay, try to remember. This is
Salt. Salt.
okay. Now another one. This is
Coffee.
coffee, okay?
Coffee.
Coffee, good. Now another one is
Spices. Spices.
okay. Now this is
Beans. Beans.
beans, okay. Other is
Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits.
good. Now do you remember all the pictures?
Rice. Rice.
Rice, okay, good. Another one. This is
Honey. Honey.
okay. And the last,
Sugar. Sugar.
good. Now another one, this is the last.
Olives. Olives.
Okay, very good. Now we have to do the class for today. And the class for today is a reading. Now this is a story. Look at this here. Okay. Lesson 3, exercise 8. Listen and read.
The Hurricane and the Coconut Tree. Zach and his mother are on vacation in Jamaica. They are visiting their friends Alice and Jake. Look, Mom, there are coconuts in the tree. And there's milk inside each coconut. Try some. It's delicious.
Zach, let me tell you a story about this tree. One day in Jamaica, there's an important message on the radio. Hurricane Gilbert is moving towards the island of Jamaica. It's a Force 5 hurricane. Everybody on the island prepares for the hurricane. They protect their houses and their animals. They put extra food and drink in their cupboards.
Are there any bottles of water? Is there any bread?
Yes, don't worry. There are 5 bottles of water and there's some bread. We have everything we need.
Later, the sky is very cloudy. The wind is very strong. The hurricane is near. I don't believe it. Look, there's a girl with a tent under the coconut tree. A hurricane is coming. It isn't safe to stay here under this tree.
Please, come inside with us. When the eye of the hurricane travels across the island, it destroys everything in its path. It picks up the coconut tree and drops it on top of the girl's tent. The day after the storm, there aren't many trees standing. The girl feels very lucky to be alive.
The girl in the story was your mother, more than 25 years ago. I was very silly to put my tent under a tree. Jake and Alice saved my life. And a week after the hurricane, I planted this coconut tree to say thank you and to help prepare the land.
Good catch.
I think the tree likes you, Zach. It's giving you a coconut.
Can I try some coconut milk now, please?
Okay. Now, here you have some sentences about the reading, and you have to answer them using true or false. Now, look here, please. Exercise 9. Now, these are the sentences, okay? Now, you have to write here true or false. Correct the false sentences. Now, you have to listen the reading again, and you have to answer all the sentences, please, using true or false. Remember that. To here, okay, and you have to complete the sentences using true or false. Now, can you complete this? Sarge and his man. One more. Are on vacation in Jamaica. Now you have to write here the sentences, okay? Good. Now people hear about the hurricane and you have to find the answer, please. Now here, okay, very good. Now one moment, please.